Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can activate triathlon mode on your Apple Watch. So as we know, Apple Watches are really useful to track your runs, track your sports in general, so you can also track triathlons. So you can't just do separate sport activities, you can do 3 in total in one whole workout. So to do that, go onto the apps in your Apple Watch and select the workout app, where you can usually select your normal workouts, so running, biking, hiking. And now you want to scroll down until you find the MultiSport option. Right here, you have the first option, normal triathlon mode, that you can instantly start to start your triathlon, and it starts immediately. You don't have to customize anything, and you just get started. And if you want to customize something, you can click onto the 3 dots on the top right and then scroll down a bit, and then you're actually able to create your own workout. So then you can select what you want to start with. So maybe you want to run first, then you want to bike, then you want to swim, or you want to swim first and then do another run, or do 2 runs after each other. So you can customize this completely by creating your own workout and then selecting the different things you want to do. Once you're finished selecting that, you can create a name, and then boom, done. You have that workout that is available for you now. So if you want to do it, you can click on it, and then you'll be able to start that workout. Now if you want to delete that workout, just click on the same workout, click onto the options on the top right, and then you can just hit delete and delete that workout from all of your different workouts. So yeah, that's the MultiSport option that you can fully customize, or just use the pre-made version of the triathlon option. And yeah, that's how you can start training for your own triathlon. I hope this helped you. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if it did, and comment down below if you have any more questions.